Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the display language setting on your Hill Climb racing game using your Android or your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open the Hill Climb racing game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner from the main menu. This will open up the settings menu from where you need to tap on language. Now on the next page, you will see the list of available languages. Browse the list and select the language you want. After you do that, you'll be able to see that you have successfully changed the display language for your Hill Climb racing game. You can always get back to the same menu and choose to a different language of your choice, and you'll be done in a few seconds. Soon after you tap on the language, you'll immediately notice the display language change. So that is how you can easily change the language setting in Hill Climb racing, and now you can enjoy the game in your preferred language. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.